Yo, what's up? This is Jay Tiller, once again ready to bring you another home fat burning routine that you could perform in the comfort of your own home or outside on this beautiful day, all right? So in this routine, it's going to last about 8 minutes and we're doing 5 exercises, all right? So before we start, make sure that you prepare your mindset, believe that you could complete this routine, all right? Drink some water and let's get started. All right, so let's go. We got this, all right? First exercise is going to be the alternate leg lunge squat. The goal here is to alternate legs and end with a deep squat. This is going to work out your entire leg muscles and core muscles, okay? So do it at maximum effort, all right? And keep the core tight and make sure you're breathing. You have to breathe to propel you through these exercises, all right? So let's go for 30 seconds. You can do this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, good, good. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, all right? Let's go. Awesome. Next exercise is going to be active rest time of running in place, but at 50% intensity, okay? So come on, swing those arms, bring up those knees, all right? But don't do it too hard. Just do it at 50% intensity because this is our rest time. So don't push yourself during the rest time, okay? So 30 seconds. Let's go. Let's push ourselves. Let's go. Awesome. You're doing great. You're doing great. I mean that. Let's go. You could do this. All right. You could get through this. I'm here to motivate you. All right. Awesome. Now back to, what we're doing, the high knee twist. The goal here is to bring up your knees and make your knees touch your elbows on the opposite side, but make sure you're twisting as the elbows touch your knees, okay? This is going to work out your core muscles. This is going to work out your right and left side obliques, your upper and lower abs, okay? So you're going to have a six-pack by the time you're done with me, all right? So let's go. Let's push ourselves. Let's go. Awesome. Now back to the active rest, running in place. Let's go. You got this. You got this. You got this. 30 seconds. Let's go. Come on. All right. Make sure you breathe. You have to breathe. All right. You have to breathe. Come on. I've noticed that some people cannot breathe right and then they stop prematurely during the exercises. All right. You have to breathe through your diaphragm to help you to get through these exercises. So make sure you're breathing through your diaphragm and you could do it. Just takes practice. Awesome. Now the next exercise is going to be the high plank jumping jacks. So the goal here is to get up in the push-up position, keep your arms stiff, all right, locked, and then just pretend like you're doing a jumping jack, but just on the ground, all right? Make sure that you're jumping off your toes. Keep the core tight. Do not bend your elbows, all right? And like always, breathe through these exercises, okay? This is going to work out your entire body, okay? This routine right here, well, this exercise works out your entire body. So back to the running in place. 50% intensity. Let's go. 30 seconds. Come on. Good, good. You're doing great. I mean that, all right? We are not going to let this virus stop us from being healthy. We're going to keep pushing. We're going to keep exercising, and we're going to stay healthy, okay? So let's go. You can do this. All right, come on. Motivation. I'm just here to motivate you. You could do it. I'm just here to give you a little small push. That's all. Awesome. Now we're going to do an exercise called a crossover. Starting with any leg, just cross over your knee and end with a deep squat, all right? And then repeat the process for the opposite side. This will target mostly your glutes, your inner thigh muscles, and your calves, all right? So let's go, let's go. This is gonna burn on the second round, trust me, okay? But you could get through it, just like I did, okay? So let's go, all right? Good, good. Gonna have toned legs, all right? Good. Now running in place, all right? 50% intensity. You got this. You got this. You got this. Good, good, good. We won't stop. We can't stop, all right? Come on. We want to reach our fitness goals, then we are. We just have to push ourselves, all right? Let's go. All right? I know you're sweating. I know you're tired, all right? We're almost halfway through it. Got 5 minutes left. Awesome. Now back to the alternate leg lunge squat, all right? Come on. You could do this. You could do this. That day was a beautiful day. I mean, the sun was out, all right? And now I'm doing more sun tanning to convert the sun rays into vitamin D, all right? Vitamin D is essential for good immune health, all right? So make sure that you're getting your everyday sun ray dosage to increase your vitamin D intake, okay? So let's go. Awesome. Now back to running in place. All right, 30 seconds. Let's go. That was great. That was great. Come on, let's go. Push ourselves. Come on. Come on. All right, come on. Keep the core tight and make sure you're breathing. All right, I always remind you to breathe. Also, I always say keep the core tight because when you keep the core tight, it helps with your posture and to relieve back pain. All right, I see so many people walk and sit with a hunchback, which is not good. All right, you have to keep the core tight to help your posture. Awesome. Now back to the high knee twist. All right. Good, good, good. Bring those knees as high as you could. All right, twist your torso. All right, engage those abs. All right, and let's march to fitness. Good, good. Come on, come on. Push, push. You're doing great. You're doing great. Let's go. We got 3 minutes, 40 seconds left. Don't stop. We're almost there. We're almost there. Come on. You could do this. All right, I know that you could do this. Come on. Awesome. Back to running in place. All right, I love running in place, all right, because you don't have to go anywhere, because if I did run, then you won't see me on the camera. So running in place is a good alternative, all right, to running. Okay, so let's go, let's go. Good, good, good. Come on. Motivation, motivation. Let's motivate each other. All right, come on, come on. We're almost there. We got like 3 minutes left. Come on, approximately 3 minutes. All right, now back to the plank jumping jacks. All right, come on, the high plank jacks. Make sure that you stay on your toes while spreading out your legs, okay? And keep that core tight. Come on, let's go, let's go. Good, good, good. You're doing great. You're doing great, all right? Come on, push, push, push. We're almost there. 2 minutes, 40 seconds, all right? Come on, come on. You could do this. You could do this. I won't let you stop, all right? Come on. We need to reach a fitness goal. We're going to reach it, all right? We're going to reach it. Good. Now back to, excuse me, back to running in place. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No pain, no gain, right? Come on, you got this, you got this, all right? Motivation, all right? I'm just here to motivate you, all right? All right, everyone just needs some motivation in their lives at some point, okay? I don't care who you are, all right? When you have a positive influence in your life, you're going to accomplish big things, all right? Let's go. Awesome. Now back to the crossovers, okay? Make sure that you're bending your legs and squatting low to get that full range of motion. All right. At this point, my legs were killing me. It was on fire. All right, but I didn't stop. You won't stop too, and we're going to get through this. All right, we're going to get through this. So let's push ourselves. Come on, you can do this. Good, good, good. I know it burns. Trust me. I know. I know how you feel. Awesome. All right. All right, running in place. All right, 30 seconds. You got this, you got this, you got this. All right. Good, good, good. All right. You can see that my routines are less intense, all right, because I've been reading your comments and most of y'all are saying that my routines were too intense, all right? So I've toned it down just a little bit for you guys, all right? I hope you like it, all right? Just leave comments down below and tell me if you like my current routines. Awesome. Now back to the alternate leg lunge squat, all right? Good, good, good. We're almost there. We got 55 more seconds. We're not going to stop. We're not going to stop, all right? We're almost there. Come on. You put in too much time and effort into this routine to stop, all right? We're almost there. Don't stop. Come on, all right? If you feel like that you need to stop, just tone it down some. Just reduce the intensity, but try not to stop. Try not to stop, okay? We need to push our body to get the most of it. Good. Back to running in place. Come on. 30 seconds. Come on. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. That's all we need, and then we're done. All right? Come on. Come on. Come on. Push, push, push. Come on. Come on. Don't stop. Don't stop. Come on. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. All right? Come on. Good, good. Breathe, breathe, breathe. We're almost there. All right. Swing the arms, legs up high. Come on. Knees up high. Come on. Come on. Come on. One. Awesome. Good job. Good job. You did it. You did it. Good job. I'm so proud of you. I'll see you on the next video. Awesome job. Awesome job. Good job. Good job. I knew that you could complete this routine because I believed in you. All right. Make sure that you drink some water. All right. You could do this routine one more time if you want to. All right. But if you perform this routine just once,
it burns approximately 300 to 500 calories, all right? All right, guys, so just leave comments down below. I'm always reading your comments. Make sure you subscribe if you have not, and I'll check you out on the next video. Peace.